Guess who's back, kids? Yes, it's me, Roby. Dino, stop! It's starting to rain. We need the right gear to stay dry and have some fun. So, what's the plan? Swimming flippers? Dino, are you a submarine? A cardboard box? Special delivery. Yellow raincoat and boots? Choose now. 3, 2, 1. Yes! Boom! Unbelievable! Look at that splash. Have fun, Dino. Great job! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya. Bye-bye.